Hey there, my name is Sagar. So in this video, I would like to help new affiliate marketers, those who are still struggling to make their first dollar. You know why I created this video? This is something I failed when I got started, and nobody talks about this in internet. They just show you screenshot, join this program, join that program, and take your money. And you know that the data says like 90%, more than 90% people don't make a single dollar when they just enter into affiliate marketing. Now, I'd like to share a few solutions that I discovered. That is completely with my experience with my niche product. Maybe differ from other products, but I would like to share like what I have learned from my mentor Russell Brunson. He actually mentioned this during one mastermind call. I fortunate to be part of his mastermind call. That was a affiliate mastermind where actually I got a chance to attend that mastermind. I was top 20 of that promotion that happened. Okay, so I'd like to share that part. The first mistakes people do is they actually do not understand the product first. They just think, okay, I'll sign up the affiliate link and I'll just promote, I'll make money. The reason being because the people who are selling the stuff or courses, they are not actually educating the right way. What they are telling, okay, just sign up this product and promote it. But what happens, when they start promoting, they don't know how to promote it. They don't know how to create an offer. This is the offer what I will talk about more in this videos, because that is the biggest contributor to making any sale in affiliate marketing. People talk about, okay, affiliate marketing don't have to create product. I would say you have to partially create a product, because there are thousands of or 10,000 of affiliates promoting same product. Why people will buy from you? What is you differentiate that other affiliate that people will gonna buy from you? That is the core fact about affiliate marketing, that you don't have your offer or your you can say it is your framework or your own product. Then only you can make the sales. I'll give you example of let's take an example. You are promoting an email marketing tool. Now there are email marketing tool. Lot of people are promoting, creating a blogs or YouTube video or some things. Why people will buy from you? I'll give you an example how you can do it. You can create a course how to use that tool. Definitely they have some video tutorials, but you can make it very easy to implement. That for that people will join through your link, that okay, this guy really helps and this thing. So that is the one thing. Similarly, what I used to do is I started promoting Russell Brunson course. Literally I struggled for 8 months. Then I said, what is this offer or people are talking about? Offer is not a product. Offer is the value addition to that core product that you are promoting. Value addition means, let's suppose somebody bought a course from me. Now what after that course? People gonna find it difficulty to implement that course. Can you help me a little bit to implement that course? Can you help some summary? I used to share some summaries, okay, through that OFA challenge I was promoting, because people don't get time to learn all the things. So I used to share quick summaries, okay. Recently I was promoting convert kit to my community. So what I used to do is I used to just create a coaching, live coaching, that is a complete week dedicated for that particular email automations. And I used to go, okay, now I will teach you how to do it. So in the meantime, I was just sharing my affiliate link, because they love to take from you, because you are teaching them, you are guiding them. Now that how a new affiliate marketer can do is, can you, so the first step is to know that product first. If you don't know about that product, you will never able to sell. Maybe you have a lot of traffic, some you can just buy traffic, but if you really wanted to sell organically or something, that I prefer first not spending any money on ads. That is something I always recommend, that first know that product, know what is the application of that product, then see can you create any offer that complement to that particular core product. Like for courses, I used to give them, okay, now you learn about funnels from Russell Brunson. What next? You need traffic. I'll teach you how to get traffic. Okay, so that is the things you have to create an offer. Russell Brunson was talking about that mastermind that my top affiliates, one, two, three, those who crossed $1 million in sales, affiliate sales for ClickFunnels, they have their own core offer. Now, once they have created ecosystem model, right? Once people buy from um, like their course, they say, okay, now to launch a funnel, they need ClickFunnels. Then they share their affiliate links. That's how the beautifully designed. You can call it as an ecosystem model, right? One of my another mentors, Siddharth Rajshekar, many of you know that. Uh, so he also does some similar kind of things. He also have almost 10 to 12 affiliate products throughout his customer journey. Now, if you know the customer journey, you will really crack the code of affiliate marketing, and you can make it passive. All people are talking about just passive. They're just, maybe they are not giving the right information. I really seen the passive things happening in my business by implementing ecosystem model, right? So yeah, so that is the core message I would like to give each and every new affiliate marketer. So just starting out, try to know that product first. Second, create an offer around it that actually complement the core product that you are selling. And the third advice I would like to give is, do not sign up with hundreds of products. Just focus one or two products and go deep rather than go wide. That is my secret formula for getting fast results. Let me know if what is your one key takeaways from this video. I'd love to know about you more, and if you'd like to uh, learn from me more about me, so that you can join my private community, Facebook community. And where actually I do a lot of trainings and interviews, or I invite a lot of people to share more information and knowledge for free inside our group. So do join Telegram group and my Facebook group in the link in description. And see you, thank you so much. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and do share with your the friends, those who are into this industry. They're still struggling to get into their first earning of affiliate marketing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.